Hello everyone, it is Levi here, and today we are going over the Intro to Chemistry Essentials, which is my chem course series, or whatever other term you'd like. I'll use them interchangeably. And so in this intro video, we're just going to talk about the structure and curriculum of the series, as with all my others. So what this series actually is, it's good review for your chem final or the AP chemistry exam. It should be used as a supplement to your chem class, and it's also a good review for the SAT subject area test in chemistry, which is actually, I have my book for that right here. And if you are taking AP Chem or even a high school level introductory chemistry course, I can't recommend that subject test enough. I think it's very approachable, and I think it's a great test to take, and I think that you'll gain a lot both on the SAT in terms of competitiveness and also in your actual chemistry class. You'll gain a lot out of that experience. The series is not quite going to be a full chemistry course yet. Eventually, as with all of the educational series I'm doing, we'll probably get there at some point, but it's going to take me quite a while to get all of those videos out. And it's not an alternative to in-person lab experiments through your institution. Now, obviously, if you're just watching and you're out of school and you just like chemistry and wanted to learn more, that doesn't apply to you. But if you're probably the majority of people who are watching this because you have a chemistry course you're taking, there is no substitute to in-person labs, and you need to be doing that. It's very important to have that hands-on learning experience as just one way and one factor of your chemistry education. Reference tables. So depending on what chemistry class you're taking, whether it's a high school level that's standardized through your state maybe, or your region, or it's the advanced placement exam, there is specific sheets, reference tables that are provided for your final exam, and many times in class leading up to that, so you learn how to use it. So I will link the AP reference sheet for chemistry in the description. That's a free download. And if there's another one, you should probably know what yours is and how to use it. So we're going to be using the AP reference sheet when we need one. And now let's talk about AP chemistry. And I only have that short bullet there. So as with every series that I'm doing that's kind of curriculum based, we're starting out and we're going to get there eventually. AP chemistry is hard. It's not an easy test. I think it's kind of infamous in the high school community as being a difficult test, but we can get there, and it's just going to take me a lot of time to get those videos out. But once we do, I think we're going to be there and we're going to be fine. Finally, when are you taking chemistry in school? Now you're probably watching this because you're in a chemistry class. You usually take chemistry in junior or sophomore year of high school, depending on when your school begins to offer science courses and what courses they offer. It's usually preceded by a physical science class, which could be maybe physics, it could be environmental science, and it's usually preceded by a biology course. And I have non-AP there because it's very helpful to have chemistry before you're going into AP Bio, because there is some more in-depth biochemistry and ideas from chemistry that carry over. So yes, you absolutely could take AP Bio without chemistry, but it would be much easier to grasp some of the concepts when you have chemistry under your belt. And that's all I have for this video, and in the next video we're going to start diving into content and getting ready. I hope you join me.